thing that I'm starting to love about these slow mornings, waking up on time, coming downstairs, opening the window, letting that cool breeze in, and just kind of being able to reconnect back with myself. Even before I turn on the TV, I'll take a second just to kind of hold the warm coffee in my hands and listen to the birds chirping and just the outside world. And it gives me that second or that few minutes before I start watching anything to really just think about my intentions for the day, connect with myself, and really, figure out how I'm feeling. And I think that's the biggest thing for me about, getting out of this funk that I've been in for like the last month, is that I think when I take that time to connect with myself, take that time to say, what do I need today to do for myself to feel better, then it allows me to actually put in the time and the work to take care of my, mind, body, and soul. And it's just been very nice getting myself into a routine. So, love these slow mornings, and let's go on with the rest of the day. Since I started doing like weightlifting exercises, I know that afterwards I should probably fill my body up with some type of protein. So I love to eat, eggs or oatmeal just to get that little bit of protein. And something that I love to put in my eggs is a little bit of cheese and cherry tomatoes. I don't know what it is about the cherry tomatoes, but I just love that like little crunch in my eggs, and it has become one of my morning favorites. So let's dig into this amazing breakfast. something that I always do every day is I get myself dressed for the day, because I noticed also if I stay in my PJs or just hang around in my workout clothes, then I won't necessarily, get myself moving or going for the day. So after I work out, after I eat breakfast, I go upstairs, I brush my teeth, I get myself ready for the day. On, shower days or hair wash days, I will shower, I will wash my hair, let it air dry, but I always get fully dressed for the day just because I know that it's going to make me feel better. It's going to make me realize that this is the start, of the morning is ended. This is the start into your afternoon, and this is just kind of like go time to get whatever I need done during the day. So I was gonna go upstairs and do some work on the computer, but I am going to make some pizza dough. And that's another thing me and Ken have been doing recently, is instead of buying pasta or pizza dough or getting fast food like pizza and stuff, we've been starting making homemade pasta, homemade bread, homemade pizza dough. Anything that we can start making at home, we're trying to do that, because there's a lot of, ingredients in these items that necessarily shouldn't be in there and we probably shouldn't be consuming. So we have decided over the last few weeks into this month that we really want to try to start eating, less processed stuff or stuff that has less ingredients, and just make, fresh stuff at home as much as we can. Last week we tried the pizza. It was absolutely amazing. So I am prepping it today for tomorrow, and it has just been so much fun, doing this at home and making stuff. So I'm going to get that made so we can have pizza tomorrow. Now that the pizza dough is made, I am up in my office to get some work done. Something that has really helped me, stay focused on what I want to get done, and, has also helped me kind of get out of the funk I was in before, is scheduling out what I'm doing every single day. So in my planner for every single day through Monday to Sunday, I schedule out exactly what I'm going to be doing for that day. So it helps me kind of stay on track. Also, I started doing my editing list over here, just so I know what videos I need to get edited, and then just adding little tasks for myself to mark off and say, okay, that task is now done and I can move forward. And this has actually helped out a lot with just keeping me on track, keeping me, in the day, so I can look and say, okay, this is exactly what I'm doing today. If I don't do anything else that day, that's perfectly fine. If I do extra things, that's fine as well. But at least I can say, this was my focus for the day. That's all I have to get done, and I don't have to worry about anything else. So I'm going to get some work done and we will go from there. Now that I am done editing, I am gonna go downstairs and eat some fruit. That's another thing that's just been making me feel better, is eating more fruits and veggies. Again, less processed food, more good things for my body. I think just overall doing that, like changing what I've been eating, has helped, improve my mood and just overall making me feel a lot better. Because I notice that when I eat processed food, it makes me feel groggy and like crappy, and just eating fruits and the homemade stuff at home has just been making me feel a lot better than eating junk food and all that. And like you guys know, at 2 o'clock Ken comes home, and it is about 1:30 now. So once he comes home, I kind of like to put away the vlog and spend the rest of the evening with him. Another thing that has been working for me as well to get me out of these, funky moods I've been in, is being able to communicate with him when I'm feeling a certain way, and just being able to talk like the feelings and the situations out with him have been enormously helpful. Because for a while I was just keeping it all in, and he was noticing that, and he loves me, opening up to him so he can help me get through these times when I feel down and out, and he can help improve my mood to get me back to just being back in the swing of things and more content and happy. Another thing too that I'm getting back into is reading. Every single night I will end my day with reading, and getting back into reading too has helped me get out of the funky moods I've been as well, because I love to read, and just having that moment, to myself to read a couple chapters before laying down to bed has also let me just reconnect back with myself and learn again to enjoy the things that I love to do, and to continuously do that, because that also helps improve my mood when I'm able to do the things that I love to do, and I'm not, not doing them. For a while when I was, in a weird mood or in a weird funk, I stopped reading. And I think, getting back into, working out and then eating healthier and just getting back into doing the things I love to do is enormously helpful for getting me back into a routine and getting me out of these weird moods and weird funks I've been in. So thanks for spending today with me as I kind of went over what I've been doing to get myself back in the swing of things and get out of these, weird funks I've been in. And I will continue to, work on that. I'm not saying every day is easy. There are going to be times that you just get in these weird moods and get in these weird funks. And I think it's in those moments we need to realize that they're happening and do the things that we enjoy or bring us happiness to get us out of those, so then we can continue going on every single day. And I noticed that for a while I was just kind of sitting in it, wasn't really doing anything, wasn't enjoying anything, and that kind of killed my creativity as well. So just getting back into a routine, getting back into doing things I love, getting back into creating has been a great way to just improve my mood and make me feel so much better overall. So again, thanks for spending today with me. Maybe this can encourage you or help you if you've felt just in a funk or out of it lately, to kind of encourage you to, maybe start doing things that you enjoy to make you happy and to bring joy back into your life. And, it's okay if you are in a funk, but you don't have to stay there, and that's just what I've learned for myself. So I will talk to you guys real soon in the next vlog. Bye guys.